This is the part of the test that dealt with regions on the periodic table. So before you can do this, you need to know what are the alkaline metals and what are the transition metals and the metalloids and the noble gases, the halogens and the alkaline earth metals, and where nonmetals are in general or metals are in general. So I'm going to run through those quickly before we begin. I'm going to refer you to an assignment that's in Google Classroom called Regions of the Periodic Table, which has this information on it. So here's my little map of regions. So alkaline metals are over here. Alkaline earth metals are here. The metalloids are in the middle. I'm sorry, transition metals are in the middle. And the metalloids are these purple guys over here. The nonmetals are the blue ones, which and these are special nonmetals called halogens, but they still are all nonmetals, as are the noble gases. So the nonmetals are on the right side of this arrow, or this stair-step line, and the metals are on the left side of the stair-step line, and the elements that touch the stair-step line, except for aluminum, are called metalloids. They have properties of both metals and nonmetals. So those are your regions. I framed these questions around the strange names periodic table, which looks like this. So if we go up to the first question, slug. So we find slug on a strange names periodic table, which isn't there. So slug is, I don't know where slug is. Right here, slug is in the middle of this little area here. That's in what would be called the 3D sublevel. So that would be a transition metal. So that'd be slug. Then apartment is in another part of the strange names periodic table. It's right here. So if you look at, this is on a real table, this is nitrogen. Underneath nitrogen is phosphorus. So if you look at the real one here, so here's nitrogen, there's phosphorus. So phosphorus is the best we can say is it's a non-metal. So we'd call that a non-metal. That was apartment. Okay, emerald is over here, if I remember right, in what would be called the noble gases. Let's double check that. Yes, emerald's right there, so noble gas. Guinea pig is right here. It's in the second column, so if you go to the second column, look at it, that's the alkaline earth metal. See right here, alkaline earth metal, so that's an alkaline earth metal. And cow is right here. So that's in column 4. And if you look at, it's the third one down in column 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It is a metalloid. So cow would have been a metalloid. Okay, metals lose electrons and nonmetals gain. Are they losers or gainers? So rheum is over here, so it's on the nonmetal side, so that'd be a gainer. Turtle right here, so that's on the metal side, so that'd be a loser. Ferret is over here on the metal side, so that would be a loser. Gnome I'm looking for gnome because I don't remember where it is. Here it is. It's in the transition metals, so that would be a loser. And pothole is over here in the halogen family, so that would be a gainer. So that brings us now down to matching these guys up. So snake is right there. It's in the scandium position, element number 21. So that would be a transition metal. Kitten, I know, is in the first column, so that would be an alkaline metal. Llama, so you're in the fourth column. So that's, I think, is going to be a metalloid. So the fourth column, second one down. So 1, 2, 3, fourth column, second one down. That's in a silicon position. That's a definite metalloid. Ruby, that's over here. That would be a noble gas. And then pothole is right here, so that's a halogen. It's in there, group 7 is the halogen right here. All right, so that's how you do the region section of the periodic table. It helps to have that assignment out probably. All right, then you hit submit and you ace the test. So that's the review for the regions of the periodic table.